Today, you will learn how to keep lines together in Word. If you're working on a document and notice that a paragraph is being split between two pages, or a few lines of text move to the next page while the rest stay behind, don't worry. First, locate the paragraph where you want to keep all the lines together. Click anywhere inside that paragraph. If you want to apply this setting to multiple paragraphs, simply select all of those paragraphs with your mouse. Now go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Paragraph section, click the small launcher arrow in the bottom right corner. This will open the Paragraph dialog box, where you can access additional formatting options that are not immediately visible on the ribbon. Inside the Paragraph dialog box, click on the Line and Page Breaks tab. Here you will find an option called Keep Lines Together. Check the box next to it and then click OK. As soon as you enable this option, Word will try to keep all the lines of the selected paragraph on the same page. If there is not enough space remaining on the current page, Word automatically moves the entire paragraph to the next page instead of splitting it. This creates cleaner formatting and prevents awkward page breaks. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.